Hello everyone, welcome to MathMug. In this video, I'm going to give some suggestions what the concepts to revise in geometry for the final stage preparation of JEE mains examination. Have a look. In geometry, just I am recommending you concentrate on these four chapters: straight lines, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So in this straight lines chapter, according to the previous question papers analysis, most of the questions are based on parametric equations of a straight line, and most of the questions are coming from angular bisectors and family of concurrent straight lines and family of parallels, homogeneous and non-homogeneous pair of straight lines formulae. All the formulae better to remember, and homogenization is one of the procedure to convert from non-homogeneous to homogeneous. So better have to practice all these concepts. Just revise before the examination for this last to final stage preparation examination. And a parabola, come to parabola and locus based questions better to practice, and finding of focus, vertex, directrix for different types of parabolic equations, and most of the thing tangents and normals, applications and properties. So no need to practice the construction of tangent and no need to construct the normal equations. So you have some applications and normal applications, reflective property, like that. So better to practice those concepts and focal chord based applications. So in this parabola you have to concentrate all these. You can expect definite questions in parabola, 1 to 2 questions. And ellipse, same as parabola, locus based questions, and focus, vertex, directrix of different elliptical equations, and properties of applications of tangents and normals, and focal chord based applications. So you have to revise all these concepts. In hyperbola, same as in ellipse and parabola, and you have to prepare asymptotes of the hyperbola and rectangular hyperbola based applications also in this. So better to revise all these concepts. So by preparing of all these, definitely you can expect good marks in geometry. And I will give you some questions. I will explain some questions in the later videos, in the next videos. So based on straight lines, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Of course, if you have the sufficient time, better to practice the circles also. And conic section part is nothing but very important. Just to practice this for the JEE mains examination. Okay. So anyhow, all the best. This is Panindra Chaudhary signing out until we meet again. Thank you.